Hey everybody, I know it's been a while, but I finally have time to do some reaction videos. This was requested probably 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I'm sorry I haven't gotten to it, but this is Nanci Griffith live at the BBC in 1993, Speed of the Sound of Loneliness. And I'm going to be clicking screen record in 3, 2, 1. And here we go.
You come home late and you come home early.
I know this one.
You come home big when you're feeling small.
I'm just going to pause it only once to say the first person I ever heard sing this song was John Prine. I love this song. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm going to go back to the beginning because I really do hate pausing. So here we go. Sorry.
You come home late and you come home early. You come home big when you're feeling small. You come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. So what in the world's come over you? And what in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. I got a heart that burns with a fever, and I got a worried and a jealous mind. How can a love that would last forever get left so far behind? So what in the world's come over you? And what in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. It's a night evening in a dreadful silence. It's cross evil line today. How can you ask about tomorrow? We ain't got one word to say. So what in the world's come over you? And what in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. What in the world's come over you? And what in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run.
Wow. I did not expect that. And I had seen that title before, and I had listened to John Prine's version of that song. But for some reason, when I first started the video, I wasn't thinking about John Prine at all. And her accent in certain parts is kind of similar to John Prine, and she sings it in such a way, it feels like her own. You know what I mean? I love her voice, and I love the guitar playing. Let me know in the comment section who the band members are, because it's just, everybody was so well, it's just so well put together. You know what I mean? Her voice is just beautiful. I'm gonna have to definitely check out more of her songs, or more of the covers she's done, and her voice, because it is like full of country angels, what I think. But thank you so much for requesting this. This was really thank you to Tom S. for requesting this song. Oh man, you gotta be, wow. So this was in 1993. Man, it's beautiful. I don't know what else to say except absolutely gorgeous. Let me know in the comment section any other songs by Nanci Griffith you would like me to check out, or any other artist. I should be able to upload some more this week. I don't know about next week, but thank you all so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Click the notification bell to get notified for new and upcoming reaction videos. My Facebook is at Have a Very Nice Day. And as always, thank you all for watching, and keep on rocking. Peace.